Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not installing apps from App Store. The first thing you're going to need to do is go into Settings. Once in Settings, you want to scroll down and select General. After selecting General, you're going to tap on iPhone Storage, as you want to check if you have enough storage space. And if you do, as you can see, I have a lot of storage space left right here. You'll simply come out of that. Then you're going to scroll down a bit, and right where you see VPN and device management, you're going to tap on that. And you want to check if you have downloaded any VPN in the past and that if you're connected to a VPN. If you are in fact connected to a VPN, it can be the reason why you currently cannot download any apps. So I would recommend that you disconnect yourself from that VPN. After you have done that, you're going to go back. And what I would recommend you do is go into App Store. And from here, you'll simply search for the app again. And after you have searched for the app and found the app, you would try again to download it. And if you're having the same problem, what I would recommend you do is turn off and turn on your device. And if you have done that already and it is still not working, the next thing you can do is go back into Settings. And from here, you will tap on General again. After selecting General, you are going to scroll all the way down. And you want to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you'll simply tap on Reset. And from here, you'll simply tap on Reset All Settings. Hope these steps help. If they did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.